Mont Blanc 380 needle. I think that's right, 380 needle. Versus Hell's Hammer 370 hexa. Let the battle begin. This Beyblade battle is basically Takumi versus Bird or Robin, whichever one you want to call him. And this Beyblade battle, I'm not sure if it happened in the anime or not, but I'm just going to try it. So, let's start the battle. By the way, if you want to support this channel, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All those things help a lot. And if you want to support me in a financial way, then you can always go to the link in the description. There's a link to a site called Model Toys, and whenever you buy through that link, you'll actually support me in the process. I also have discount codes to help you save money. They are the Legendary R, and it works for Bays and Bricks and Model Toys. On Model Toys it saves you 5% off, and on Bays and Bricks it saves you 7% off. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it. And now, let's get into the battle. Three, two, let's go shoot. Now let's see if Bird can avenge himself. Whoa, big hits. Hell's Hammer not looking too good. And Mont Blanc wins that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay, Mont Blanc wins that round with the over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa, that was so weird. I never seen Needle do that. Hell's Hammer wins that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa. That's an explosive counterattack. Hell's Hammer wins that round with the over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. What? Okay. Hell's Hammer wins that round with the over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Mont Blanc is off balance. Let's see who wins. Hell's Hammer shifts in the center. And Hell's Hammer wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Hell's Hammer wins that round with the extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! This battle's coming close. Let's see who wins. And Hell's Hammer takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! These are some huge hits. And there's a lot of recoil. Mont Blanc's not looking too good. And tie. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! This battle was really interesting. Whoa! I thought Hell's Hammer was about to lose, but it's not done yet. And it goes down. Mont Blanc takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Hell's Hammer still going. And Hell's Hammer takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Hell's Hammer still holding on. Mont Blanc is barely holding on. Mont Blanc takes the round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! This battle's intense. Like every clash, it just gets more intense. Mont Blanc's not looking too good. And Hell's Hammer takes that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay, there's a lot of recoil happening. Still Mont Blanc is getting knocked around a lot. And Hell's Hammer takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay, that was unlucky. Like, really unlucky for Mont Blanc. Hell's Hammer takes that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, they're both slowing down. I've never seen just two Beyblades hit each other so hard before. And Still Mont Blanc takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Wow, Hell's Hammer almost got knocked out. And Still Mont Blanc takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Got stuck on the extreme line at first. Seal wins, and Still Mont Blanc takes the round with the spin finish. Yeah, whoops. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, huge hits. And Hell's Hammer takes the round with a spin finish. Okay, I fixed the camera. Three, two, one, go shoot! Okay, Still Mont Blanc's not looking too good. He's doing his best. Oh, wow! Hell's Hammer uses his gimmick. Hell's Hammer takes that round with the over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Hell's Hammer's bringing down the hammer. Let's see who wins. Still Mont Blanc is doing his best. And Still Mont Blanc takes that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Still Mont Blanc is trying his best. And Hell's Hammer takes that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! There's a lot of recoil between these two. They're both just knocking each other back every round. And Still Mont Blanc takes that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. They're clashing really hard every round. And Still Mont Blanc takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Still Mont Blanc is trying to defend itself. That was a huge pushback. And Hell's Hammer takes that round with a spin finish. I mean, over finish. Yeah, that battle was really crazy. And whoa. Look at all those scuff marks. I wonder if this is painted, because this kind of reaction normally happens if a Beyblade is painted. I'm not sure. It's kind of weird. Either way, Hell's Hammer did really great in that battle. So this battle was really crazy. Every round, like I was saying throughout the video, every round seemed like they just kind of knocked each other back. Nice shield, which is what Still Mont Blanc basically is naturally off balance because of that one little part right there, where it kind of adds a little bit of metal and makes the Beyblade like off balance as a whole. So that's why Mont Blanc was easier to tip over and knock around Hell's Hammer a little bit more than it probably normally would have. But Yeah, besides that, this whole battle is just really crazy. It's like every battle just, instead of them being stationary and everything, just knock each other around all the time, and it was really crazy. Either way, I'll announce the winner now. Your winner is Hell's Hammer 370 Hexa. So, like if you want, share if you want, and subscribe to become a legend in the making. See you next time, bye, and we are proven to be legendary. Stay legendary.